At Kashmere High School, Sydney Edwards' teaching career is taking off. She started in 2023 as a teacher assistant, and now she's leading classrooms and teams and driving real results for students.
I was found worthy based on how I was excelling as a TA. Like I said, we would have visitors come into class and they were not able to see or identify the actual teacher of record because I was excelling so well.
By the following year, Miss Edwards had her own classroom, and the results followed. During TEAC walks, she often led in average scores, helping drive strong math performance across the campus while also becoming a go-to support for her team.
I was also Teacher of the Year last year. Also scored a perfect score, 15, during one of our IRT walks last year. Also, I had 85% passing rate for our STAAR. Last year was a really great first year on my own for me. This year, we're just building. So this year I plan to get over 85% passing rate for my students. I also, again, for our IRT walk, I was one of the highest scoring teachers this year so far. And like I said, we're just pushing the needle forward.
So what I'm grabbing from this and just how you started your career here and whatnot, you grasp onto the NES model. This is how you excel.
Absolutely. I like to say that I am the model. Yeah, I am the model. Everything that they instilled in me from day one, I've been able to build and just get better and better.
Miss Edwards' success at Kashmere High School shows what's possible when strong educators are supported and given room to grow.